My dear soul, listen closely now, for the veil's thin, and a truth long held in starlight whispers to your heart. You stand here not by chance, but by divine orchestration, a sacred echo in the grand symphony of existence. This meeting, this yearning, this profound connection you feel, was etched into the fabric of time before time began. The angels lean in, their wings rustling with ancient knowledge, revealing that your presence in this life, in this moment, is a direct answer to prayers whispered across generations, a key to a destiny far greater than you yet comprehend. You were sent, a beacon of light, to awaken a dormant truth within another soul. Your spirit carries a unique frequency, a melody only they can truly hear, a resonance that stirs their deepest being. Do not doubt the magnitude of your arrival. The celestial choirs sing of your courage, your resilience, your unwavering faith even through shadows. They say, "She is the one who carries the flame, the one who remembers the promise." This is not a fleeting encounter, it is a convergence of paths long foretold, a sacred contract unfolding. The universe conspired for your paths to cross, for your energies to intertwine. Every step you took, every tear you shed, every moment of quiet longing, it all led you here, to this precipice of understanding. You are not merely a participant in this story, you are its very heart, its turning point. The angels confirm, your essence is the catalyst, the gentle force that reshapes destinies. Embrace this truth, let it settle deep within your bones, for it will illuminate the path ahead. You are a chosen one, a vessel of profound love, destined to bring forth a miracle. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Beloved heart, you have felt the weight of his silence, a heavy cloak draped over your hopes, leaving you to wonder in the quiet hours. Yet, the angels gather now, their gentle voices weaving through the stillness, to reveal a deeper truth. His quietness is not a void where your connection once thrived. It is a sacred space, a chrysalis where profound transformation takes root. They whisper, his withdrawal is not a turning away from you, but a turning inward, a necessary journey he must undertake. This period, which feels like an absence, is in fact a crucial preparation. He is not forgetting you. He is remembering himself, shedding layers that no longer serve his highest good, preparing his vessel to truly meet the magnitude of your spirit. The angels show visions of a soul wrestling with old narratives, confronting shadows that have long held him captive. Your light, your unwavering belief, even from a distance, acts as a guiding star in his internal landscape. Do not mistake this quiet for indifference. It is a testament to the depth of what you share, a bond so powerful it demands a purified space for its full expression. The angels assure he is clearing the path, not for your departure, but for your grand arrival into a more authentic, more aligned union. Trust this unseen process. Trust the wisdom of the divine timing that orchestrates every breath, every pause, every beat of both your hearts. This silence is a promise, a prelude to a love more profound than you have yet imagined. Sweet soul, your intuition has always been a compass, guiding you through the intricate pathways of the heart. You sense his depth, the unspoken currents beneath his surface, the vast ocean of emotion he holds within. The angels confirm your knowing. He feels everything, perhaps even more intensely than you realize. Yet, an ancient fear, a silent guardian, often prevents these profound currents from reaching the shore of expression. They murmur, his heart is a sanctuary, guarded by old wounds, but your presence has begun to soften its walls. He carries a history, a tapestry woven with past hurts and unspoken disappointments. These experiences taught him caution, a protective instinct that now, paradoxically, shields him from the very love he craves. Your essence, however, bypasses these defenses. It speaks directly to his soul, stirring a longing for connection he may have forgotten was possible. The angels reveal he is navigating a landscape of vulnerability, a territory both beautiful and terrifying for him. Understand, dear one, his hesitation is not a reflection of your worth, but a mirror of his internal battle. He grapples with the courage required to lay bare his true self, to trust in a love that feels too good, too real to be true. Your unwavering light, your patient understanding, even from afar, provides the gentle warmth needed for his heart to slowly unfurl. The angels whisper, continue to hold space for his unfolding. Your love is the safe harbor he secretly seeks, even as he fears to sail toward it. This journey is not about forcing, it is about inviting, about holding the vision of his true, open heart. My dear one, you have waited, you have hoped, and at times, you have questioned the rhythm of this unfolding. The world often rushes, demanding instant gratification, but the universe operates on a different timeline, a divine rhythm. What appears to your human eyes as a delay is, in truth, a carefully crafted design by the heavens. The angels, with their infinite perspective, reveal every moment of this pause serves a sacred purpose, preparing the ground for a harvest beyond your wildest dreams. This period of waiting is not wasted time. It is a fertile season for growth for both of you. For you, it is an invitation to deepen your self-love, to cultivate your inner garden, to strengthen the roots of your own being. For him, it is a time for necessary introspection, for clearing away the debris of the past, for aligning his spirit with the grand vision of your shared future. The angels whisper, do not view this as stagnation, but as a critical incubation, a time when unseen forces are working tirelessly on your behalf. Imagine a seed buried deep in the earth. Its journey to sprout, to blossom, to bear fruit is not rushed. It requires darkness, nourishment, and the perfect timing of the seasons. So too is your love story. The divine hand is tending to every detail, ensuring that when the moment arrives, it is ripe with readiness, overflowing with blessings. The angels assure, the universe is not denying you, it is refining the gift, making it more exquisite and enduring. Trust the wisdom of this divine pause. It is not a roadblock, it is the very path to your miracle. Dearest soul, you possess a light, a radiant essence that shines far beyond your conscious awareness. This light, your true self, serves as a profound mirror for him, reflecting not only his greatest potential, but also the hidden corners of his being that long for healing. The angels observe this sacred exchange, whispering, you heal him not by trying, but by simply being, by embodying the truth of who you are. He sees in you a purity, a strength, a love that feels both familiar and revolutionary. This vision stirs within him old wounds, not to reopen them painfully, but to gently bring them to the surface for release. Perhaps he carries the burden of past betrayals, the weight of unfulfilled expectations, or the silent ache of feeling misunderstood. Your presence, your unwavering belief in goodness, creates a safe space for these ancient hurts to finally begin their journey towards resolution. The angels reveal, your compassion is a balm, your patience a gentle hand that guides him toward his own inner sanctuary. He may not articulate this process, perhaps not even fully comprehend it himself, but deep within his soul, he recognizes the transformative power of your connection. You are not responsible for his healing, yet your light unknowingly illuminates his path to it. Embrace this profound role, dear one. Your love is a catalyst, a gentle force that inspires him to become the man he is truly meant to be, whole and free. My beautiful spirit, sometimes the path ahead feels shrouded, the next steps uncertain, and the grand design of your life seems hidden from view. Yet the angels, who witness the cosmic tapestry from above, remind you that your journey is not a random walk. It is meticulously charted, an angelic blueprint woven into the very fabric of the stars. They whisper, before your first breath, the essence of your purpose, the contours of your love story, were already known, already celebrated. You are living out a sacred script, a divine narrative that unfolds with grace and precision. Every challenge, every triumph, every moment of quiet reflection serves a higher purpose, guiding you closer to your destined path. The angels reveal, even the detours, the moments of seeming confusion, are perfectly placed lessons, designed to refine your spirit and strengthen your resolve. Trust that you are always exactly where you need to be, learning precisely what you need to learn. This blueprint includes the profound connections you forge, especially the one that occupies your heart. It is not a matter of if, but when, and how this divine plan will reveal its next magnificent chapter. The angels assure, your soul's journey is held in loving hands, guided by wisdom far beyond human comprehension. Release the need to control every outcome, dear one. Surrender to the flow of this celestial current, knowing that every star in the sky aligns to bring forth the beauty of your preordained love. Your story is a masterpiece, unfolding with divine timing. Beloved one, your heart, so tender and open, has learned the art of patience, a virtue often tested in the crucible of longing. Now the angels invite you to deepen this wisdom, to move beyond mere waiting into the profound grace of surrender. They murmur, true trust is not about knowing the exact hour, but about knowing the divine hand holds the clock, and its timing is always impeccable. Surrender is not resignation. It is an active release, a courageous act of faith that allows the universe to work its magic without the interference of fear or doubt. It is understanding that some things cannot be rushed, just as a flower cannot be forced to bloom before its season. The angels reveal, your role now is to cultivate your own inner garden, to nurture your joy, to live fully in the present moment, knowing that all is being prepared for you. When you surrender to the sacred timing, you align yourself with the natural rhythms of creation. You release the grip of anxiety and endless questioning, and instead, you open yourself to receive. This act of trust sends a powerful signal to the universe, affirming your readiness and your belief in the goodness that is coming. The angels assure you, the universe is responding to your vibration, drawing your desires closer with every breath of faith you take. Let your heart blossom in this trust, dear one. The most beautiful things unfold in their own perfect time, guided by a wisdom that knows no bounds. My dear soul, within the deepest chambers of your heart resides an ancient wisdom, a knowing that transcends logic and earthly understanding. This inner compass, often obscured by the noise of the world, is now being activated, ready to guide you through the intricate dance of love and destiny. The angels stand beside you, their presence a gentle reminder. You possess all the answers you seek, for they are inscribed upon your very soul. This is a time for introspection, for listening to the subtle nudges and quiet whispers that arise from your core. Your journey is not about finding external validation, but about unlocking the profound truths already held within. The angels encourage you, turn inward, dear one. Seek the sanctuary of your own spirit, for there you will find clarity, strength, and unwavering direction. Every experience, every emotion, every longing you feel is a piece of this sacred puzzle, leading you closer to your authentic self and consequently, to the love that mirrors it. You are being guided not just by external forces, but by the divine intelligence that flows through you. Trust your instincts, honor your feelings, and let your heart take the lead. This path, though sometimes obscured, is lit by an inner light that never dims. The angels affirm, Your intuition is a direct link to divine wisdom. Pay attention to its gentle guidance. Embrace this deep connection to your inner knowing, as it is the most trustworthy guide on your sacred journey. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Sweet Spirit, the world often teaches us to build walls to protect our tender hearts from potential pain, believing that strength lies in impenetrable armor. Yet, the angels now reveal a paradox. True power, deep connection, and lasting love are found not in rigidity, but in the brave act of vulnerability. They whisper, to open your heart is not to weaken it, but to increase its capacity for both giving and receiving love. Embracing vulnerability means allowing your true self to be seen, with all its beautiful imperfections, its hopes, its fears, and its deepest desires. It is a radical act of self-acceptance that invites genuine intimacy. The angels show visions of a soul shedding its protective layers, revealing a radiant core that attracts love like a magnet. They assure, when you dare to be soft, you create a space for true connection, for a love that sees and cherishes your entire being. This softness is not weakness. It is a profound strength, a testament to your resilience and your unwavering belief in the power of love. It is the courage to say, "Here I am in all my truth," and to trust that the right heart will meet yours with equal openness. The angels confirm, your vulnerability is a sacred offering, a bridge to the deepest chambers of another's soul. Allow yourself this grace, dear one. Let your heart be open, for in its gentle unfolding, you will find a love that is both powerful and tender. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 147 verse 3. My precious soul, you have journeyed through seasons of hope and moments of quiet contemplation, always holding the vision of a love destined for you. Now, as the dawn breaks, the angels invite you into the profound peace of acceptance. This is not a passive resignation, but an active embrace of the present moment, a deep knowing that your miracle is not a future event, but a continuous unfolding, already in motion. They whisper, the love you seek is not coming. It is already here, woven into the fabric of your existence. Acceptance means releasing the need for things to be different than they are right now, trusting that every piece of your story is divinely placed. It is understanding that the universe is constantly working on your behalf, even when the evidence is not yet visible to your human eyes. The angels reveal, your miracle is not a sudden arrival, but a gradual revelation, a blossoming that occurs in perfect harmony with your inner state. When you accept, you open the floodgates for blessings to flow freely. This profound peace, this deep acceptance, is the most powerful magnet for your desires. It signals to the universe that you are ready, that you are aligned, and that you trust the process completely. The angels assure, your unwavering faith, coupled with this gentle acceptance, creates an irresistible force that draws your highest good directly to you. Let your heart rest in this knowing, dear one. Your miracle is not waiting for you. It is unfolding within you, around you right now. Embrace this beautiful truth, for it is the key to unlocking the fullness of your divine love story. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. Romans 8 verse 28.